the plan!
Yeah, right.
Who's the Hulk?
Showtime.
Let's begin.
Okay.
Come on! Get it!
You want a piece of me?
Get away from them, you beast!
There's too many of them together.
It's been a real pleasure serving with you boys.
Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Alex? That's my kill.
Oh, no.
Alex hungry. Alex eat.
I am so dead.
It's showtime. Thanks for not giving up on me, Marty.
Man, you almost gave me a heart attack. You can't just come up here and sneak up on me just because you're lying. No, Corey! No, Corey!
We're getting out of here. Guys, just go with me on this. Like I said, it's showtime. My kill. They're all mine.
Don't eat me, Mr. Lion!
Fear me! Savagery beyond comprehension.
Oh, I'm about to die!
A monster! And you!
Oh, you want some of this? You better run for your life!
Somebody call a cop!
He's psychotic!
This is my territory. Understand? I never ever want to see you on my turf again. This was a little. I did it! Give me some love! The plan works! The plan works! I'm very clever! I'm the one, baby! Come on! Time to robot! I am very clever, king! I am super genius! I am robot king of the monkey thing! Compute! So, what's for lunch?